the kind of drawing I wanted to do was all action, running, jumping, leaping, punching. I think it goes back to early love of comics and action and pow and whack and zap. I was unathletic, and all my athleticism went into the work. And when I outgrew the violence of comic books and did the Feiffer strip, the voice strip, the only physicality I could find, any excuse for movement, was in my dancers. A dance to spring, a dance to this, a dance to that. So, and then discovering Fred Astaire as a character and using him. So dance became my excuse for movement and action and gesture, and because the strip, because it was totally dependent on characters speaking and dialogue, was mostly limited to profiles or frontal faces, or but small gestures or expressions of body language here and there. But the broader thing, which I love doing, exploded into the dancer, because until I rediscovered my comic book self just a few years ago, I couldn't do violence. I couldn't do anybody beating anybody up. Now I'm back to beating people up. It's a lot of fun.